everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for watching. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to revive this wig using just spring water and a couple drops of essential oil. But before we get into the video, I'm going to ask that you guys stop what you're doing and hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell as well, so that you guys can stay up to date with all of my postings. Also, feel free to follow all of my social media accounts that I will be included in the description box down below. And I'm also going to be including my Gmail, so I am open to all suggestions of future video content and questions that you guys may have as well. But this wig that I have on is a 12-inch yaki texture wig. I'm going to be completely real. I do not remember where I got this wig from. This is an OG wig that I dug up for video purposes only. So yeah, but if I do happen to find where I purchased the wig from, I will include everything in the description box as well. The pricing, the vendor, everything. I will include it. But yeah, I don't want to do too much rambling. So without further ado, you guys go ahead and enjoy the video, and I'll see you in my next one.
So first things first, you want to go ahead and grab your spring water that you can pick up from your local grocery store or corner store. Once you prop that open, you want to pour the water about halfway into your spray bottle. I picked up my spray bottle from my local Sally beauty supply store for about $7 to $8. It is a mist spray bottle, and to me, I feel that mist spray bottles work way better because it helps you to be able to better control where your water is going. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and grab your essential oils. I chose rosemary and avocado oil. Rosemary for the scent and avocado oil because I know that it helps to rejuvenate the hair. And for me, this wig is my hair, so it got to be rejuvenated, okay? After that, you want to go ahead and screw that top on and then shake up the mixture completely. Doing that will cause you to get a cloudy type mixture from it. Once you do that, you want to drench the wig, okay, from lace to ends, root to ends. Saturate that wig in that detangle spray, that mixture, completely. After that, you want to go ahead and grab your wet brush. For me, I like to use the Demon. Demons are perfect for textured hair. A lot of people I know use the wet brush with the knots or the balls on the bristles. I tend to steer away from those because, come on now, you see this lace wig right here. I'm trying to reserve as much hair as possible. Not only that, but I want to help to not cause any tension with the lace. I feel that using the knotted and bald bristles, you will cause it to tear at some point. But you just want to make sure you're being as gentle as possible. After that, you want to go ahead and section off the hair. Now, doing that, you want to make sure you're still looking for any tangles that you can spot. And if you do, you want to go ahead and take your mist detangle spray. Typically, you can detangle it with your fingers, but if not, you want to go ahead and hit it with your wet brush. Right here, I'm just detangling and making sure everything's completely detangled. Now I'm going to take my blow dryer at the lowest heat setting, and I'm gonna go ahead and prepare for the blow dry. Now with the blow dry, I'm using a pick blow dryer, but here you have to be extremely careful because you do not want to tear that lace or get that pick caught in the lace at all, because if you do, that lace is tearing, and yeah, that wig is gonna be even more jacked up, okay? But yeah, I'm just being as gentle as possible, making sure I am blow drying the hair. And because it is at a low heat setting, it does tend to take longer, but I have nothing but time at this point, so yeah, I'm gonna make it happen. Now here you just want to make sure you secure the wig. Make sure you secure the wig before the blow dryer. the blow dry, I completely forgot. So make sure that wig is secure, and then after that you want to go ahead and go in and complete the blow dry. Like I said earlier, it does take longer because the heat is at a low setting, but it is what it is. Now once the hair is completely dry to my liking, I'm going to go ahead and grab my wet brush. Well, at this point it's just the Denman. I'm going to grab my Denman and make sure everything is completely detangled. And after that, I'm going to show you guys. Let me go ahead and bring it in. There is no tangles, okay, whatsoever. And it has some shine to it. All the way to them little ends. And yeah, got the part right there, got the front of the wig shining, everything. And now right here, I'm just looking for my part basically. I typically part on the right side, so right now I'm just basically looking for that and trying to move any hair, basically trying to spot the part. Now here I have my flat iron that I picked up from my local beauty supply for about 20 bucks. I put it at a low heat setting, and I believe I straightened it at about 125, 150. The purpose is just to straighten the hair around my part. I'm not trying to straighten the whole wig, just flatten out the hair that's right side by side in the back of my part. The flat irons that I'm using are ceramic plated. I feel that ceramic plated flat irons are perfect for textured hair, and as you can see, this wig has some texture, so I'm just gonna go in and flatten that out. Now that it is flat, I'm gonna show you guys what my part is looking like. I'm pulling out my little fake baby hairs right there, but other than that, that is how I resurrected this wig. And I feel like this is the best the wig has ever looked, because this wig is usually matted, okay, it's matted and be jacked up. But yeah, I did that with just spring water and a couple drops of essential oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here, but I'll catch you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching.